Good afternoon, everybody. Got something pretty unique here. It's a 68 Shelby GT500, factory Raven Black 4-speed. It's a little dirty. This car's been sitting in a warehouse since 2004. It runs, drives, starts, stops, all that good stuff. I'm just sitting here trying to figure out whether or not I should wash it or not. This is kind of what you would call a survivor car, but it's been driven, obviously, and it's just a really cool car. Get the nose here. They didn't make very many black 68 Shelbys, especially the GT500. I think they might have made 150 black ones, but this one's a 4-speed, so I don't really know exactly how many they made. Somebody put their own touch on it with the taillight panel. I think the guy was a Harley lover with the black and orange. But the dilemma is, I'm trying to figure out whether I should clean it, leave it like this for a little while. It's pretty cool with all the dust. I think it would shine up pretty good. It's still shiny with all the dust on it. See if I can get this hood open. Yeah. It's got the Shelby tag there. All the VINs are there. Very cool car. 68 Shelby, Raven Black. It was sold new in Virginia. See the roll bar, Shelby console, steering wheel. It's got the 8K tack and the 140 mile an hour speedometer. So my thoughts were to keep this car. I'm not sure whether I'll keep it or sell it. Had to give up a pretty nice car to get it. So if I got rid of it, I wouldn't have an old Mustang anymore, which doesn't really appeal to me. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. It's a really cool car, really cool find. Water hose is out. I just don't know if I can bring myself to wash it just yet. It's got the original Shelby hubcaps on it. So I probably won't wash it. I'll probably just leave it like this for another month or so, but while I figure out if I'm going to keep it or maybe get rid of it. Like I said, it's a Raven Black 4-speed, black on black. It was built in January of 1968, and it's a overall real solid car. Starts right up, idles good. So yeah, there it is. 68 Shelby GT500 Raven Black 4-speed. Little dusty, but still looks awesome. Thanks for watching.